Now let's read this question. So the question says, one half of a convex lens is covered with black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? And we need to experimentally verify our answer and explain what were the observations. So now let's understand first thing first, that is the convex lens will form a complete image of an object even its one half is covered with black paper. It can be understood by the following two cases. So let's take first case when the upper half of the lens is covered. So as you can see in the figure, the upper half of the lens is covered with black paper and the lower half is not covered. So light rays cannot pass through upper part of the lens, but light rays can pass through the lower half of the lens. So a ray of light coming from the object will be refracted by the lower half of the lens. These rays meet at the other side of the lens to form the image of the given object as shown in the figure. So wherever you will put the object, an image will be formed. Okay, but the only difference is that the intensity of this image will be half of what the image would have been if the entire lens was uncovered. Getting it? So there will be an image formed, but this image will not be as sharp or as bright as it would have been had the lens was not covered with black paper. Okay, so this is my first half when the upper half of the lens is covered. Similarly, for the other part, that is case number 2, we can say when the lower half of the lens is covered, only the light rays which are coming from the object will be refracted by the upper half of the lens. So again the image will be formed following the same laws of refraction that we have studied, and these image formation will follow the standard images that we have studied in the book. Okay, so the only difference is that the image formed will be not as bright, or the intensity of the image will not be as bright as it would have been if the lens was not covered at all. So this is my desired explanation and the answer.